Welcome to Idea Rabbit's channel. Today I will be showing you some quick dishes to prepare for Thanksgiving potluck. First, I will be peeling and cutting some potatoes for mashed potatoes. And then put them into a pot with water and boil them. While that is cooking, slice up some cucumbers for some veggie dipsticks. I have this bowl with 4 compartments, 3 for the veggies and 1 in the center for the dip. I'm also going to cut up some celery sticks, but you can cut up any vegetables you like to serve. I also have some organic carrots. If you don't want to peel and cut carrots, you can also get those already peeled baby carrots in a bag. Once the potatoes have cooked, add some salt and pepper and a bit of butter and mash the potatoes. Some of our guests don't eat turkey, so I'll also have some chicken. One pack I have is Jiggy's chicken breast strips that's already flavored, so all you need to do is heat these before serving. Since that won't be enough, I've also bought some uncooked boneless chicken breasts that I'll cook up with salt and pepper, and guests can pour gravy for additional flavor. I didn't get a whole turkey, but instead got some slices from the deli. With different meats served, I'm creating some small, simple labels using toothpicks and post-it notes so guests can tell what is what. Once the chicken is cooked, cut them up so that they're shredded for easy consumption. Next, I've bought this Kraft stovetop turkey stuffing mix for less than $1. The instructions are on the box. Boil 1 cup, which is 250 milliliters of water, and add a tablespoon of margarine, but I'll use butter in a medium saucepan. Stir in the contents of the stuffing. Cover with a lid, then remove from the heat and let it stand for 5 minutes. Next, I have some cans of peas and carrots, as well as corn that I can microwave in a bowl. And the clubhouse gravy mix for turkey. 1 pouch will create 1 cup or 250 milliliters of gravy, but I'll need twice of that amount, so I'll be using 2 pouches with 500 milliliters of water. Add the gravy mix and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the gravy comes to a boil, then simmer for 1 minute. Chips for snacking. Since this was a potluck, guests also brought dishes to share with everyone else, so there was quite a variety of food to choose from. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.